are y'all doing with the cameras? Yeah, I see that, but why? ¿Por qué? What are y'all doing? You're not deaf. You can understand me. What are y'all doing? Get out of my face. What? First off, you don't have my permission. Have y'all called, like, do we need to call someone?
Hey, bud. Hello? Can I help you? Can I ask who you are and what you're doing? Can you not hear me? Can I ask who you guys are and what you're doing? Is there a reason why you're taking pictures? I'm not gonna move until you talk to me. I'm not doing anything. Why are you not talking to me? Do you not speak English? I don't understand what your hand signals mean. I don't know what's over there. A wall? Flowers? Grass? I don't know what you're saying. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Can I call the police since you're harassing me? Oh, please. I'm not moving anywhere until you talk to me and tell me who you are. I'm asking you to leave now. You're trespassing on private property. So if you don't want to leave, I have them calling the police and I'll have the police escort you out. Since you won't notify me and tell you who you are. You don't have the right to take my picture. And here's the police now. Hello? What the fucking guys doing?
You just out here or what?
Yeah, the police are right here. What are these fucking guys doing?
The police are here.
Thank you. Who are you? I don't know what the fuck that means. I don't speak that language. Who the fuck are these guys? They apparently don't speak.
You sound like a little bitch right now, man.
Oh, there we go. Well, why don't you talk to me when I ask you a question who
You
you
sound
are?
like a little bitch, man.
Who
Stop
are you?
crying. Stop crying.
Just asking,
Who
what's
are
up,
you?
man?
Why you
Well,
take
don't worry
pictures?
about that.
I am fucking worried.
Well,
about
don't.
that.
Don't. My business is not your
You guys are
business.
Yes,
taking-
this is taking a
pictures
picture of
of
our
us,
business.
of me,
Bullshit.
and I
Yeah.
get-
Oh, yeah?
All right, guys,
Really?
right. I totally have
Are you
no
gonna
right
put a?
to
You're
take
gonna
pictures
build a
of
wall in
pictures
front of your
of
business so
Okay.
nobody can see it, or what?
Doing,
I'm gonna
dude.
talk to you guys.
Okay, guys, one second.
Alright, so they came up here.
Taking pictures, videos, asking me to move, telling me
What you mean, come here?
they're just
No, you come here.
telling me to turn
What
around.
the hell?
Doing
Who the hell you guys think you are?
And then they started taking pictures of me.
Just
I
tiny,
don't have a
that's
right
why.
to.
Oh yeah.
I don't want them. Do not take pictures. They kept snapping me.
What you guys doing? What company are you with or what's going on?
That's none of your business, man.
It is because they called us.
Hold on, hold on.
Okay, go ahead and record. We're recording too. We're just trying to find out what you're doing here that's causing these people to call the police.
That's not my concern, man.
Okay, what do
Their
you think?
feelings are not my concern. They can call a bitch and complain to
Okay.
anybody. I don't
Right,
care
so
about
now
that.
We're here trying to find out what you guys are doing.
It's none of your business. I'm out here. I'm a photographer. I'm out here taking pictures, and that's all you gotta know.
Okay, do you have any idea on you?
No, I don't. What crime have I committed for you to ID me?
I'm just out. You just asking for
No, you don't have permission to search me or
didn't ask
to
to
run my
search you.
record.
I
You
didn't
don't
say
have.
I
I
was
don't
gonna
give
run
you
your record
permission
either.
to look me up in any way or search me
I don't
or
need your permission.
ask
sir.
me any other questions. I plead the
Have a
fifth.
good day, man.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Okay, have a good day.
Bye.
Are you leaving?
Bye. No, are you?
Sir, you're not in charge, bud.
What's up?
You're not in charge, bud.
Oh, you in charge? You there?
Show me all you want. I don't care.
You're in charge? Who's in
not-
charge
he's
here?
not.
I don't get it.
I don't see you saying shit.
What crime has been committed here?
Nothing. We're just trying to find out what's going on.
Why are you trying to illegally ID me then?
What's up?
Don't push that towards my face.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, what do you mean?
You contact somebody when they've committed a crime, then you ask them for ID.
Okay. That's
What
not
crime
true.
has been committed here
I said
today?
you haven't committed a crime yet.
Will you be
That's
surprised
what we're
to
here
Yes.
to find
Here's the deal,
out.
guys.
Oh.
Don't know.
I'll make this easy. Okay. It's not against the law to film or do whatever you want out here in the street. But if you get on their property, they have the right to arrest you guys for trespassing if you don't leave.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
you understand that?
when did we go on their property?
I didn't say you did.
Have you properly investigated for you to
Did
be
you hear what I said?
making statements like that?
He's in
Okay,
charge.
now I know.
Goodbye.
All right. Don't make your statements until you
That's a
know the
statement.
facts, man.
All I said is just don't.
All right. Thank
They
you,
have the
sir.
right.
Thank you. Thank you.
You
Very
understand that?
respectfully. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, respectfully, you understand though?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Okay.
Kick rocks.
Have a good day.
You're right to do that.
Good luck.
Don't get close to me. 6 feet, man.
Al Laz. What's your badge number, Al Laz?
Right here. You can film it.
It's right here. You're part of the. It's right here. It's right here. It's right there.
Yeah.
You can't just tell me what your badge number is,
You
ma'am.
can't just tell me what your ID is.
I,
guess I'm gonna
you're a
find out
public
yet.
servant. I'm asking you for your ID number.
it's
You
on
need
my
to
badge.
ID yourself,
That's on my badge.
which is
You can read it.
you don't know your own badge number.
Excuse me?
Okay, turn around so I can.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Chichi and Chichi.
I don't want you to claim anything's going on here. I'm just trying to get your badge number. Okay. Let me
Get
see your
it.
name
By
now.
tits and tits.
Right there. As you
Oh,
said.
you know. Big
Right.
tits.
Yep.
By tits. No butt.
Somebody's got him here.
Yeah, at least you have the balls. These guys don't have the balls.
You got the front, but you don't got the back. Is that down?
Alright. Yep, we're good.
We're good, huh? Ain't that right, sir?
Adios.
Ain't that right?
Have a good day, gentlemen.
You too. Damn, what happened? What? Yeah, you guys make yourselves look kind of wacko.
Look at you. You're out here videoing random people. You're the crazy one.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Normal people don't do that, so you can't.
What do you
you're
mean?
the
What's
crazy
normal? What's normal today? Explain that to me.
If you don't
This,
speak, you don't
this
say
is
nothing.
technology. What's normal? What we're using technology.
She's filming. Oh, let's go to couple her.
Problems?
Yeah, he's
Hey,
right
be
there.
careful behind you, miss.
What problems? What are you talking about?
Careful.
When did we say anything to you guys to cause a problem? What's wrong with you guys? Now you're making stuff up? Dang. Lady. Lady, come on. Hey, why is she filming us? Hey, that's kind of weird. That lady's filming us, don't you think? Hey, why are you filming us, lady, walking around? Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Put yourself in the best situation.
Hi, Dad.
No law against being.
You want to say your full name if you really want your mom and your dad to
Yeah,
know what you're doing?
Jose Gonzalez.
Oh, Jose Gonzalez.
Yeah,
Got it.
Jose Gonzalez. What's your name? What's your name, lady?
I'll post it.
What's your name, lady?
I don't need. I'm not.
I was respectfully, I gave you my name. What's your name?
No problem. Come on in.
For what?
Come on in.
You're inviting me in? You can't arrest me for trespassing if you're inviting me in, dummy. Learn the law. You try to invite me in, then you want to trespass? Get out of here, dummy. You just made yourself look like a fool. Get out of here. Get back to work, lady.
You're working too. That's why your ass is there.
Blah, 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 blah. Yada, yada, yada. That's all you guys did. Blah, 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 blah. Get out of here.
They don't respect me, so
Yeah, so go away. If we don't respect them, we don't respect you for being a little crybaby bitch. Pussy. What?
you call me a little bitch?
Yeah, I did. For being a little crybaby bitch. Being a crybaby little bitch. Horrible. Horrible attitude. Wow. Is the whole community like this?
Yeah, they don't like Latinos here though.
I wonder if the whole community is like this. We're about to find out.
Move a little bit. I think to order us a little tits and tits.
Tits and tits. Tits and tats. Right on, man. See, that's the attitude right there, man. You need more people like him. Get you fired and hire more people like that. That guy is exactly what your company needs. You represent your company very bad.
Yeah, www.chupa.com. Chupa. Yeah, Chupa. Have a nice day.
It's chupale.com. You know it. You've been there before.
Asshole.
You've been there. Chupale.com, your favorite site.